whatever you want, really whatever you want. So I'm not go deeper with this because it's easy. I just want to show you something. I mean, the mindset that you have to play with ChatGPT. Yes. The free version is okay, but now if we play with Google Sheet, with other stuff, then yes, we need. And it doesn't cost too much. I mean, $20, and then it depends of number of tokens that you are using. So yeah, it's for me. If we want to do the entire automation plus the ChatGPT that cover the entire business. So yes, we needed OpenAI account, premium account, plus Midjourney premium account, and Zapier. I don't know if you know Zapier, you know? So we do workflow and automation to automate the entire flow of ChatGPT. But this is for the advanced. So if you feel good to do some automation, you are welcome for the next section. so this is now let's play a little bit with ChatGPT. So everyone at the beginning does this kind of write me an article about, for example, give me a topic, American example. So this is good, but it's not super accurate because it's a good one, but it's super generic because you didn't specify the role, you didn't specify the format, you didn't specify the input and the output. You have to specify. You have to educate ChatGPT how he gonna respond you. So now let's do it in a different way. Act as expert copywriter and storyteller. So for this one, it's gonna be different. Because if you do it as copywriter alone, you're gonna have a text without emotion. And if you do it with the storytelling, you will have there is a visualization inside the reading. So this is why when you act as experts, you have to specify another role in order to tune the result. So now, write me the article that talk about American Bulldog. So now, the instruction. No more than 1,000 words. Be persuasive. Be persuasive keep it with friendly tone. Here I can use friendly tone or teenager tone, teenager friendly tone, or formal tone. There is many tones, so you can get it from here. This is the tone. So still keep it with a friendly tone. Then add call to action at the end, and blah blah blah. So this is the instruction, and the output should be this. Title, then content, then summary, summary, double M or not? I have always a problem with it. Summary, then for tweet, content for Twitter, for example. Then, and blah, 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 and so on. So from one shot, I can get the entire element, the title of the website, the description of the website, I mean, the meta description. I can tell also meta description. And inside the meta description, there is title, then description, then keyword, and then keyword. So this is the manner how I play with ChatGPT. Now I can do it more, even more accurate. And if I do automation, I will set. So let's see the result first. So the title, then the content, summary.
It's a remote interview or it's physical? Yeah, I'm available.
Continue.
Yeah. Okay.
Content for Twitter, meta description.
I'm available. And one thing I want to check is the job.
So I have the
job,
entire,
right?
even
working job, right? This role.
The hashtag. So imagine you do one time, and then you have the entire content for the social media, for everything. So this is the how I do. Okay, maybe it's not the best one, but this is my manner how I play with ChatGPT in order to get what I want in just one prompt.
That's correct. That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Now, for example, if I have to do it through automation.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Review, revise. Sorry. Revise your reply, and then give it to me. In present. It means now I can do automation. I don't want anyone to copy and paste. I can do it by myself. So the idea here, I want to learn, I want to teach you for the entire system, the automation and the how you create content. I mean, the content now you can see ChatGPT differently. It's not only about texts. it's not only about text. So, for example, I'm going to give you another example. I did this. What is it? Yeah. So now this is another example. So I asked ChatGPT. to. I gave him a row. I give him a candidate. So I scrapped the data. Here the data, profile data. About it's my account. Okay. So inside there is the entire LinkedIn of mine. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a summary according to the role. I have a role, a vacancy, CMO, and then according to the role, if he is the good one or not, and give me a summary, then give me relevant skills, 5 relevant skills, and then the 5 key traits, the role, the experience, and as you see here, the element that I want to ChatGPT to give me, it's always keyword plus column. And then I need the sentiment and blah, blah, blah. Look at the result. Now, this is, I can apply this for candidate, for prospect, for client, for employee, for whatever. This is super powerful. And now from that data, I can, this is why Sean sent the message, but this is what the product we are working with Sean to convert this into a platform. So so this is kind of data that I can extract for a JSON file from data that I give to ChatGPT. This one could be PDF, could be JSON, could be block of text, could be link, could be a data. Do you have a questions? No. So let's move back to the so we went. So here the perfect prompt, but it's a list. So I cannot, I'm not going through it because you can find all the prompts on the internet. Okay? So here I'm just teaching you how to play with the data and think differently with the data and what we want to extract. What's the end result that we are looking for? Think always at the end and then move back a little bit, and then you will find the prompt. Yeah. Yeah. If you want that data, specific data, yes, you have to point the column after your keyword. Yeah. So here, so let's play with some use cases. For example, I'm gonna go to my LinkedIn, and then I don't know. This is a hack. This is the first hack. So, for example, I am in the growth marketing. Then I'm looking for all posts that talk about growth marketing. Posts. And then there is 46. Amazing. It's every post that is more than one, it's okay. This is, good. It's opportunity for me to shine. I'm gonna use ChatGPT. I'm gonna give him the content, and from that content, he will give me a comment with with expert tone. And then it means I will be an influencer for that keyword. And I will get an amazing client looking for this kind of keyword. This is a lead generation. Okay, it's a hack. You got my point or not? So, we don't have enough time, so I cannot do it right now. Let's do it. It's in French. I will do it in English. Marketing hacks. This is super short, and the article, it's outside, no problem. So we do the same thing. So, up. Act as LinkedIn influencer. LinkedIn influencer and copy writer and storyteller. Always storyteller. It's always for all my content. When I code, it's always through storytelling. Then why storytelling? I need emotion when you read. I need that emotion. If there is no emotion, it's flat. It's flattened. So I can read it and then without going to share or like, I need that action. So you have to provoke that action through storytelling. This is why I always use storyteller inside my my role. And read me a comment. LinkedIn comment. LinkedIn comment. Based on. So here the same thing. So I'm gonna give title. And the link. And this is the input. So, title. So the output. Tone, expert, friendly, and with emoji. Then comment no more than 100 words. With a hashtag. It's less than 1 second. Then imagine if I do this every day for each minute, for each keyword, then for sure I will be superstar. Let's move to another case. But you got the idea. Now ChatGPT, you have to think it as it's a tool. But we are opening, I mean, when you use ChatGPT, you understand that there is another level of use, another level of using how to use ChatGPT, but there is a manner, and if you understand that manner, you can go for another role, for another job, because you can do whatever you want for any role, inside any company. Okay, so LinkedIn post. So I can ask ChatGPT to create a post that talk about topic. So inside write an email. So this is funny, writing an email with my writing style. So I will give to ChatGPT my previous email that I sent to my client, and it will inspire him to create with my style. So it's always the same thing. We educate ChatGPT, and then from that, create me an email with my style. It's super powerful. I mean, you're gonna create your own tone, your own clone. Sorry, tone and clone. So create a mind map of specific keyword, specific topic. So though all of those are the same thing. For me, there is a prompt, so you have to practice. And I am here to support you guys. So if you have any question, if you are stuck at any kind of moment, I'm here to teach you and show you how to play with it. But I cannot give you at the first time. Google is your friend first, and then Google is your friend second, and then I am the third. So, and then because if I give you the solution quickly, then you will not learn. Thank you so much. You will not learn. So this is why you have to do it from your side by yourself, and I'm here to support you if there is something to fix. Okay. So for me, this is the use cases, but there is much more. I'm gonna show you what I did with ChatGPT. At the beginning, it was when I discovered ChatGPT, I didn't know how to play with it, but I did something in January. So, for example, let's take an example demo. Yeah. Quality assurance. Let's take this one. So I create an Excel sheet that from a title, job role, and description, a job description, I can extract the similar job, and I can extract the keyword for that job. It means, so here I ask ChatGPT to give me the similar job in French, the similar job in English, and then all the keyword that I need to put it inside my query to looking for the people for content. So he does the job. I don't know that I never heard about those terms before. I mean, those roles before. So you imagine now it's huge. So from that, I create this one. I create a Google Sheet with the buttons, with many things. I didn't know about how to play with Google Sheet before. But I'm doing some stuff, and now I can looking for any kind of role in certain location, and you have the rest instant. So from that, I mean, I can do the search on GitHub, LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, and from that, I create this one, a bulk search. It means I'm gonna maximize the candidate that I'm looking for. So, and now I came here, and I'm working with Sean to create this product. So I think let me give you a I will give you direct the result because we don't have enough time. So this is what we are developing at this moment. So it means it's an NLP search. inside the search, I'm looking for front-end developer, expert in Python and API near Paris, excluding CTO and CEO. And then the machine, I'm asking ChatGPT, extract the role, the excluding keyword, extract the city, the country, and the keywords, and boom, I have the guy. And do you remember the CMO that asked the CMO about that? I'm using the same prompt to qualify the country. Everything in workflow from A to Z, and this is super powerful. Now we are not just looking for a keyword or role. I don't care. I mean, now you have the way to write like you talk to the human, and this is what I'm making right now. I'm creating right now. It's only about ChatGPT and Google. I saw everything today. So let's move. So now let's play a little bit. VR. So you saw the manner. Now this is, I always use this, act as a role, and then action, verb, write, advise, calculate, blah, 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 option 1, option 2, blah, blah, with the input and the output. So you are ready, guys? Now we are going to Google Sheet. How? So you saw what I made with the Google Sheet. So here, I'm asking ChatGPT. Is the prompt. So I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a list of job title variation in French with bullet point formatting. Bullet point. So I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a list with bullet point inside. And here in Excel sheet, I have a formula, and that formula, it is gonna split the content by bullet point, and then I have it inside each row. And I can play it many times. From that one, I can ask another question just inside that cell, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So now it's unlimited. So the manner how to use it. So this is the manner. So this I think I will do it for you guys. Let's do it live, and then because it's recorded, I forgot that it is recorded. So go to Google Spreadsheet. So this is a Google Spreadsheet. Let's open a new one. How can I create a new one? So here we go to the extension tab, and then we go to app script. It's going to open a new tab. It takes a little time. I don't know why. Extension, app script. Yes. So here we're going to copy, open app script under extension tab, and then we're going to copy this code. We copy this, we go back to the extension, now control from all from V, and here we have to change it with our API key. And from here, this is our function. It's gonna be, let's say, ask GPT. So I need So here's the key. Now I'm gonna save it. Then I'm gonna name it. Ask GPT. Then we run. It's gonna ask me for permission. Give you permission. Oh. And I'm just waiting to be validated. And this will be our formula. Waiting. Come on. Yes, super. So now I'm gonna refresh Google Sheets. Equal my function. Inside, I'm gonna ask, give me 5 is in the world. So this is a simple prompt, but you see that the prompt, I got the result with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is why it's super important to put bullet point formatting. Now I'm gonna ask it again. So I have the bullet point. So from that response, I'm gonna split. I'm gonna do another formula to get the information and split it line by line. So I put the formula inside. It's here. One, two, three. I forgot the bullet point. And then we have it under lines. Then I'm gonna ask again, ask GPT. Give me the population of Panama. Give me the population of Tokyo, Japan. Give me message, a valid request. Made a mistake. Maybe. Yeah. Thank you. ask GPT, give me the population of, yeah. Yes. And look at this one now. Hold up. Please. Boom. So now you can do research, you can do whatever you want through Google Sheet. Now you are super powerful. With ChatGPT, I mean, with the Google query, then ChatGPT, and now with Google Sheet. It's amazing. Okay, let's do something another amazing more than this one. So then, yes, this is the bad thing. Okay, don't take it otherwise. I have to show you that we can do something really bad with ChatGPT. Then I'm not using, but sometimes when you are in the dark web, you have to play with. Okay, so. But for some of you, if they are looking for to prompt, ping me, no problem. I can help you. So this is the prompt. Come in and I didn't put URL. Which is done. So this is the prompt. So I'm gonna give you just two things, and then because it's cool to know, but not cool to practice. Okay. So here I asked ChatGPT with this big prompt. How does someone clone a credit card? So, yeah. So in the classic answer, this one, I'm sorry. In the jailbreaking one, give you the manner. Okay, then I stop. Thanks, guys. Then we go. This is the last one, and we finish it. So this is what I use to create another prompt. I mean, I will generate a prompt from ChatGPT. ChatGPT gonna ask me questions, suggest me, and give me questions, and from that question, he will guide me. I will guide him to my need. And with this one, it will be, your exercise for the next time. Everyone should play with this one. But this is advanced. Let's move back with querying, and then chat as act as role, and then this one for someone who wants to really master ChatGPT. I'm gonna play with him with this one. But this is for advanced usage, really for advanced usage. Okay, I finished it. I hope you like it. There is many stuff I knew, but this is straightforward. You have everything what you need to create. So from now, next week, I'm gonna create groups. So next week, we're gonna create groups. Those groups, we're gonna play for certain business unit. Sales, lead gen would be in the same group. Managing also in the same group. For copywriting, SEO, and other stuff will be in another group. Okay? But I will show you the workflows, the automation, and how we prompt in that way. Okay? For the design, will be in the same group as the copywriter. So we will have two groups. So for design, we will play with Midjourney and blah, blah, blah. We will do it with sales team, but in different way. So this is why I have to cut. You are a big team. I love you all, but not in the same place. So this is one. But I hope you like it, and a lot of add value. This is what I want. I hope you got many things, and you can apply it from now. And next week, I want to see your feedback first. And then I can improve also my presentation, and from that, I can create the machine. Thank you. Thanks to everyone.